Ciao a tutti! Today I show you how to prepare pasta fresca. There are many different shapes of pasta fresca, strascinati, tagliatelle, capelletti, but I show you how to prepare strozzapreti. Strozzapreti is fun and easy for all family to make. Let's start! The ingredients are flour, semolina, warm water, oil, a little salt.
Use a pastry board or a bowl if you are a beginner. Put the semolina and flour and create a small volcano with your hands. In the middle of the volcano, put a bit of oil to make your pasta stretchy. A bit of salt. Add warm water. The water has to be warm because it moisturizes the starch. Pour it little by little inside the volcano. Help yourself with a fork or simply with your fingertips. When you are done, start working the dough energetically for 15 minutes.
You have to knead the pasta fresca dough with your palms until there is no more flour around.
Make sure all the flour is incorporated into the dough, with no leftovers on your hands and on the board.
Clean well.
If you find the dough hard to knead, don't worry, it is normal. A hard dough now will be easier to be rolled out later.
When the dough is ready, you have to cover it with the bowl. It needs to rest for 15-30 minutes.
Cut a small piece of your dough. In other YouTube videos, you can see experts flattening all the dough in only one go. But they also use a special type of rolling pin, which you may not have. What I suggest to do is to flatten the dough in little pieces, just like Mom is doing. Once you have flattened your piece of dough, you need to cut it in stripes of around the length of your forefingers and the width of your index finger. Once you are done, get a strip of your dough and place it at the beginning of your palm. With your other hand, slide it from your palm to the tips of your fingers. Do it slowly in the beginning. Then it will be easier and you can go faster. Now you know everything there is to know, so your last step is to try it. It is so simple that even a 4-year-old can do it.
Giulia, is it easy to prepare strozzapreti?
Sì.
Now the strozzapreti are ready. I show you how to make a very simple dish. You know when the strozzapreti are ready? When they start to float. What do you think? Is easy to prepare strozzapreti? Let me know in comment below. If you like this video and do you want to see more video, don't forget to subscribe and push the bell. Remember, every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
Still not convinced that making fresh pasta can be an easy and fun activity? Watch my family making strozzapreti.